Yo, what's good, man? So right now, we looking at a couple pairs, man. It's a good old Friday. I don't really trade on Fridays like that, but it was NFP today, so I figured I'd get it in. Right now I'm gonna look to buy on this. Hold on. I'm gonna look to do a 3-minute buy on this particular pair. I saw it fairly quickly though, but one reason why I'm getting in this, as y'all know, we above this and we above this, right? So I feel like we about to get a decent play back up. If this one don't go, I'm about to hit him with a big boy for about another 2 minutes. And by then, I think we should be good, but it may still go. So let me zoom into that so y'all can see. All right, so I got about 26 seconds, you know what I'm saying? And then we're going to see how this play out for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Is it going to go or it ain't going to go? You know what I'm saying? So we just keep it simple, man. We try not to overcomplicate nothing. We try to keep it to where everybody can get it. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the best thing when everybody can eat together. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, we looking good. Stop playing with us. Give me my paper. Give me my paper. You know what I'm saying? And so that's what it's looking like. All right. So how can we find setups quickly like that? Well, I mean, it's simple, y'all. It's very simple. I said in every video, y'all. When we on the uptrend, based off of this 200 right here, right? And then we cross above here, the middle of the Keltner. I mean, it's a takeoff. You know what I mean? You could do that. Now, people ask me for my settings every video. I'm like, yo, I got a moving average. This is a SMA 200. EMA or SMA works best. People ask what's the difference. If you click on EMA, you can see it just brings it a little closer. It really, to me, is no different. So I use both of them. You know what I mean? Either way. So just use one of them. Just make sure it's 200. And then my Keltner channel settings, y'all, is 2010 and 2. All right, just change the multiplier to 2. Zigzag is standard. The zigzag right here, that's standard. And then my stochastic 5, 3, and 3, or 14, 3, and 3, however you want to do it. And then 92 and 6. And it's just that simple, y'all. That's the settings, okay? So finding setups should get easier to you over time. The more you do this, the better you will get at it. And I tell people that all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not something that's gonna come to you like off the bat. Everybody kind of learn differently. So if you can figure out, what it is that you like about the strategy, take those key things and then, just create your own. So I tell people, look, you don't gotta do exactly what I do. Just find what you like about it and then add whatever sauce you're gonna add to it, and then just stick to that for months. You know what I'm saying? The longer you stick to something, the better you get. I don't like trading OTC like that no more, but I do got other people in my group and stuff that love trading OTC and they killing it. You know what I'm saying? So, just because I say OTC is trash, you know what I'm saying, or it don't work that good, then other people love it. And I loved it at 1.2. I just got irritated by it. You know what I'm saying? So whatever works best for you, man, is what I tell people. You know what I'm saying? You don't got to just do everything I say do. This particular pair, this is what I'm noticing. And look how quick you can see setups, man, because by looking at this, y'all probably already know, okay, boom, we're in a downtrend because of the 200. The candles are below it, and we're below here. Right now, we're getting what we call a pullback based off the stochastic oscillator. So the market usually pulls back, and then we should expect another decent drop. All right, so now I can wait on the pullback, right? I see this is a zone right here because we touched here and turned around before in this area, so I know it should reject somewhere in here. So if I wanted to, I could start putting zones right there. You know what I'm saying? I can start putting a little M1 zone if I want to. And this is if you just don't want to mark up the whole thing. Like you could just do it like this. I usually mark up my whole thing, but I can kind of just really see what's going on right now. So I don't really feel like doing it. So we already know this is another major zone. So at this point, what would make you not get in this trade? Well, if we blow past this zone and we continue up here, then I'm just gonna wait, right? Because if we start closing above this, that means we may still have a move like this right here where it wants to blow through the middle of the Keltner channel and keep going. So I will wait. What would make me get in the trade? once we start closing below here red and we start kind of pushing back down here, then I'll get in. You know what I'm saying? Maybe for even like 1 minute or two, depending. You know what I'm saying? Pay attention to this whenever you're trading. You see how low this one is, how high this one is. Usually the market will want to come down and create a new low. So if that's the case, it will do it. I also pay attention to these signals over here because right now everything is saying buy. So I would kind of be a little cautious on selling right now. You know what I'm saying? So it may still have room to go up. So I'm looking at all kind of different things, y'all, when I'm trading, man. I've been doing it so long to where it's just second nature. You know what I'm saying? So if I make it look easy again, it's just because I've been doing it for years. You know what I'm saying? So same with y'all. Like y'all gonna get to the point where y'all could just look at the chart and be like, okay, it's about to do this. So patience is one of the main things you gotta have in these markets, y'all. If you don't got no patience, this market is not for you. I don't rush trades. Like if the setup is there and I take it, it don't go, cool. You know, sometimes it does suck, but the setup was there that I was looking for. Now, hold on, let me move this out the way. So when we go, I'm gonna zoom in because the market's kind of, you know, taking this little time right now. Right, but one thing I want y'all to notice is little candles like this. You start seeing these like right here. After you getting real big red candles, right, a lot of movement, then they start getting small, letting you know the sell is getting weak and that the buy is about to start getting stronger. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm waiting. All right, we start getting maybe a small green candle or so. As long as we stay under here, we're going to be good for a sale. If not, then we're going back, you know, we're going back up. We stay under here, we're good. We start crossing above here. Then we are still under this 200 though, so you know, I'm just trying to teach y'all patience, bro. That's why I ain't just rushing this trade. I'm teaching y'all patience, teaching y'all how to, you know, wait on the setup and then how to 4-entry rule from there. So now this right here is going to determine right here whether we hop in or not. Now, I'll give you a hint. A way you can hop in early, we already know. Stochastic is high, right? That's one way. And we on the downtrend, so that kind of lines up as a certified sell. But you got to be cautious still. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't know how far he want to push up before that happens. So now I got to look. Now that we continuously pushing, I got to find out where are we pushing to. So then I come here and I draw one of these. Boom. But now I see the candle is starting to close below the middle of the Keltner. It looked like it was trying to. Could be a fake out. Let's see where the close happens. Cause I might hop in 2 and 1. I hit him with a 3-piece sale. See if we can get it to hold. Why did I hit him with a 3-piece sale? Because we closed right back below here. Now it could be a fake out, but so far it closed right back below this. All right, we peaked up here first, decided not to, closed right here at the bottom. So I'm like, okay, that should be a good solid 1 minute. But you know, we do got rejection in here, so you know this retracement could be heavy. So that's what I'm waiting to see. So far we've been good. 20 seconds left. Let's see if it can hold because I am in the rejection zone right now. And only time will tell. You know what I'm saying? 10 seconds. We gonna hold. This candle about to close out, so hopefully it don't try to shoot up. Yep, we're in there. Money bags. Yet again. Boom. Now you see the power of patience, baby? Do you see the power of patience? This is what it's all about, y'all. What made me do this? First of all, this area up here has been pretty empty. Not saying it's gonna stay that way, but it's been pretty empty. When you get trades like that, everything lined up. Perfect. You know what I mean? Again, downtrend. Okay. Under the middle of the Keltner, golden. You just wait on it to pull back. We closed right back below here, and I sold for 1 minute. Only reason why I didn't sell for 2 is because I wasn't sure, right? Because they gave me these small weak candles right here. So I didn't know if they're going to come down halfway here and then go back up, you know, kind of like it just did. I had to fast forward a little bit so y'all could see it. You know what I'm saying? It didn't come all the way back down here. It ended up going back up, right? So these are things that you gotta kind of go over in your head, like all the different scenarios that could potentially happen. So I'm gonna show y'all market structure again, just so y'all can realize what I see when I see stuff. All right. So this is market structure on an uptrend. So let's say this is the 200 moving average, right? Let's say that, and then here are the candles. So you got the market goes up, pulls back, goes higher, pulls back, goes higher than that, pulls back, goes higher than that, pulls back, right? That right there is uptrend market structure, okay? So this is how you know the market is starting to turn around, all right? So when the market starts doing a pullback, but then this level right here doesn't get broken and it end up coming lower than that, boom, and then this pullback doesn't pass this one, and then this one end up coming lower than that, market structure broken, breaker structure, right? So that's what happened here, right? Boom, we pull back, dropped, pull back, we dropped, but we still didn't drop lower than this low. So now it turns into a step ladder. Boom, pull back here, pull back here. You see what I'm saying? So that's kind of what I can read when I'm looking at charts. And that's just, like I said, based off doing this stuff for years and years and years. But market structure will definitely help you on any pair that you ever look at. It doesn't really matter. You should be able to see some type of market structure somewhere, right? Even though this is weird and weirded out with news, I can still see it. So market came down, pulled back, came lower than that, pulled back, then boom, this part right here did not come lower than this part, right? So now that lets me know, well, the market's going to go back up, right? Then we did pass this down. So this don't really count because that's news. But again, you can see it on any pair that you look at. It doesn't really matter. News hit on mostly all these pairs, but good market structure on these areas. So market went up, came back, pulled back. These are the pairs that I love. When the market start doing real market structure to where it's just following it every time, oh man, that's beautiful. So a pair like this, notice again, I told you this area start getting empty, start pulling back one candle here, one candle, pull back now, two candles, probably getting exhausted up there, yeah, because it's stochastic. But again, as long as we don't pass, even if we pass this 200, as long as we don't pass this, then we probably come down here, bounce, and go back up, or it's going to go up before then. You see what I'm saying? So that's my spiel for today, y'all. Like, continuously, continue to press in these markets, continue to learn yourself in these markets, continue to master yourself, because that's the only way you're going to get better. Trading is all mindset, basically. You know what I'm saying? It's like 98% mental, 2% skill. You feel me? That's how I feel. Like, if you can control this, you can control when you get in and get out. You can control not over trading, when you can control all that kind of stuff like that. When to just take your profits and be okay and be happy, then your trading journey will get so much better. But if you always, trying to hit the home runs every trade and you keep blowing account, you're not gonna want to keep doing this. You know what I'm saying? Trading is lit, but I promise you, if you keep losing money in it, it's gonna be exhausting and you're not gonna want to keep doing this. So my advice to you is just get in here, learn your skill, learn what you need to learn. Do what you need to do, and then take your money and get out of there and go treat yourself, treat your family, go do something with it and make it work for you, man. Holla at your boy. I'll see you on another video. Peace.